Mining in FiveM is usually just a repetitive chore, but it shouldn't be. Today, I'm showing you JDB-NET Mining, a complete, progression-based extraction and smelting ecosystem for Qbox. This script transforms mining into a full-scale profession. By integrating with CWREP, we've moved away from basic clicking and introduced a system where your skills actually matter. The more you mine, the better you get, and the more profitable your work becomes. Let's start in the field. The script features dynamic rock spawning. You can set up as many locations as you want in the config. Using OX target, players can walk up to any rock and start swinging. We've included a built-in prop system, so a pickaxe or shovel automatically appears in the player's hand during the animation. The loot system is where it gets interesting. It uses weighted RNG across 11 different ore types, from common coal and iron all the way up to rare sapphires and diamonds. Once a rock is depleted, it despawns and enters a configurable cooldown before it reappears, preventing players from just standing in one spot forever. Once you've filled your pockets and vehicles, it's time to head to the smelter. This isn't a simple trade item menu. We've built a dedicated smelting queue. Players can select specific ores or just hit Smelt All to process their entire haul at once. A clean on-screen UI tracks the progress of the queue. To keep things realistic, we've added zone enforcement. If a player leaves the smelter area while their ores are cooking, the process stops. This is also where your mining XP pays off. We've implemented level-scaled output. A level 1 miner might get a single bar per ore, but as they level up their reputation, the yield increases, allowing veterans to produce up to triple the materials from the same amount of raw ore. For server owners, setup is a breeze. First, UI flexibility. Switch between OXlib or Lation UI for menus and progress bars with a single toggle. Second, smart logic. Built-in inventory checks ensure rewards are only given if the player has space. Third, fully configurable. Everything, from the rock coordinates and respawn timers to the ore drop chances and blips, is handled in the config.lua file. If you're looking for a polished, performance-heavy mining system that rewards player progression, JDB-NET Mining is the perfect fit for your Qbox server.